Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're featuring the Ergobaby 360 carrier, which can be used with babies from 12 to 45 pounds. Ergobaby carriers are ergonomically designed to cradle your baby in a natural sitting position and to evenly distribute baby's weight between your hips and shoulders, so they're super comfortable for you as a parent. The 360 offers every carry position to suit your lifestyle. Front facing you, front facing out, a hip carry, and a back carry. The waist belt has lumbar support for extra comfort and is made with a buckle with a safety strap. The adjustable padded shoulder straps can be worn regularly or with a crossbody design. The seat itself has two settings. Use the black buttons when the baby faces inward and the gray buttons when they face outward. As a note, for babies under 12 pounds, this carrier will need an infant insert, which is sold separately. A bonus is that the 360 carrier is machine washable and it includes a sun or rain hood to protect your baby's head. Now we'll talk about how to put it on, starting with the front carry position facing you. Start by wrapping the belt around your waist and fasten and tighten the safety strap. Next, make sure that the bucket seat is on the right setting for baby to face you. It should be attached with the black outer buttons, which is the wider setting. The back panel should be buttoned down to the lower position. Make sure to loosen the shoulder and chest straps. Pick up your baby and hold them to your tummy, making sure their legs are in a frog position. Support them while you grab the back panel and slide one arm through the shoulder strap. Switch arms to put on the other strap. Buckle the chest strap and tighten as needed. Tighten the shoulder strap as well and make sure they're the same length. You can roll up the excess webbing and then make sure the chest clip rests between your shoulder blades. Adjust the panel of the bucket seat so that your baby's legs are in a frog leg M shape with their back slightly curved. Make sure that their head and neck are supported by the back panel and that there is space between their chin and chest so that their airways are clear. You should be able to kiss your baby's head easily. If you'd like, you can also button up the back panel for extra head support. The other front carry position is to have your baby facing outward, so we'll show you how to do that now. Start by wrapping the belt around your waist. Fasten and tighten the safety strap. Next, make sure that the bucket seat is on the right setting for baby to face outward. It should be attached with the gray inner buttons, which is the narrower setting. The back panel should be buttoned down to the lower position. Make sure to loosen the shoulder and chest straps. Pick up your baby and hold them at their thighs in a frog position. Grab the fabric panel and make sure your baby sits deeply in the carrier. Support your baby while you slide one shoulder strap on, then switch arms to put on the other. Make sure your baby's arms rest comfortably underneath the straps. Buckle the chest strap and tighten as needed. Tighten the shoulder straps as well and make sure they're the same length. You can roll up the excess webbing and then make sure the chest clip rests between your shoulder blades. Gently tilt your baby's pelvis upward and then adjust the panel of the bucket seat so that your baby's legs are in a frog-legged M shape and they're centered in the carrier. Make sure there's no pressure on their shoulders and that their chin is above the back panel so that their airways are clear. You're ready to go. Up next, we'll show you the hip carry position. Start by wrapping the belt around your waist and fasten and tighten the safety strap. Next, make sure that the bucket seat is attached with the black outer buttons. The back panel should be buttoned down to the lower position. Rotate the belt so that it rests above your non-dominant hip. Next, unbuckle both shoulder straps so they separate. Now attach the padded shoulder strap to the unpadded webbing strap behind you, making sure to slide it through the safety loop. Slide the strap over your head onto the opposite shoulder. Pick up your baby and let them slide into the bucket seat, making sure they sit deeply in the carrier. Tighten the shoulder strap behind your back. Now grab the other padded shoulder strap and pull it behind you so you can buckle it to the other strap webbing in front. Don't forget to use the safety loop. Make sure your baby's legs are in a frog-legged M shape, that they're centered in the bucket seat, and that their airways are clear. Lastly, we'll show you how to use the back carry position. Start by wrapping the belt around your waist and fasten and tighten the safety strap. Next, make sure that the bucket seat is attached with the black outer buttons. Loosen both shoulder straps and center the carrier on one of your hips. Pick up your baby and rest them on your hip, creating that M shape with their legs. Pull the fabric panel up to support them with one hand and slowly rotate the belt with the other so that the carrier is on your back. You can lean forward if needed. Reach behind you with your free arm to pull one shoulder strap up and tighten it. Put the other shoulder strap on, tighten it, and then clip and tighten the chest strap. You can tighten the shoulder straps one more time until they're the same length. From here, make sure that your baby is still centered, sitting deep into the carrier, and has the frog leg M shape. As a note, whenever you're removing the carrier with any of these three positions, it's important to loosen one of the shoulder straps and take it off one arm while supporting your baby with the other. You'll take your baby out and put them somewhere safe before removing the carrier entirely. Overall, we love the Ergobaby 360 carrier because it offers 4 different carry positions to keep your baby happy. Thanks for watching. To shop this carrier or any other products, go to babycubby.com where orders over $25 ship for free. To learn more about another Ergobaby carrier, check out this video here. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.